Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add expectations to your assignments on your D2L site. So to do this, you're going to go to the assignment folder, and the assumption I'm making here is that you've already uploaded the assignments to your course. Once you've uploaded the expectations to your course, then they're going to be available everywhere in your course where expectations can be used. Okay, so this is a pretend course, and I'm just going to pick an assignment where I actually have work submitted, and I'm going to edit the assignment. And if you have expectations already loaded into your course, you're going to see the expectations tab. I'm going to click on that. And you can see that I already have some expectations there. And I'm just going to show you how I added them, and I'll show you also how you can get rid of them. Okay, so the expectations for the course that you've loaded will appear, and then you can search for keywords that you want to use for the assignment that relate to the assignment. So let's say that this is an assignment that related to hardware. This is a computer related course, and then you can just look for those keywords and you can check off the expectations that you want to use. Again, I do suggest that this works best for you to assess students' learning based on expectations if you do use overall expectations, and not too many specific ones if you do, because it's just simply overwhelming. So I'm just going to get rid of some of the ones that I don't want to use. And when I'm done, I'm going to click on Close. Just get rid of that tool that was there. And now I'm ready to evaluate the work that came in based on the expectations. So in this particular example, I only have work from one student. This is not a real class. And now I'm ready to go. So you'll see off to the side, you have different things that you can do. Lots of options here for things that you can use to evaluate. And one of the items that you have will be the expectations. So you just click on the down arrow to expand that out. And then you can go in and you can just click off the level that you want to give. This is what you're currently going to see. This was an older view of scales, something that you might see in the future, but currently you just have the levels and whether it's incomplete. You can, of course, also provide feedback in other ways, but that's just showing you the levels. So I'm going to publish that feedback. And I'm going to go now back to submissions. And now if I go to the class list, and I have a look at the test student, and I view their progress, one of the tabs that's there is expectations. And you can see that I've already been adding a whole bunch of expectations. So this is not ideal. Having this many expectations linked in assignments will not be very usable for you, but you will see that the one expectation that I have assessed will show how it's trending. So I gave the student a level 3, and the levels are color coded. That's something that the color coding for it is something that may change, but right now you can then look at the trend for that particular expectation. And again, I do recommend the overall expectations over using the specific expectations. So that is showing you how you can add expectations to assignments and how you're doing it through the assignments tool.